Your messy entryway is costing you precious time daily. You might be doing organization wrong. Its impact is huge. Today, we uncover the hidden costs of entryway clutter. This crucial space sets the tone for your entire day. A chaotic entry creates immediate stress and delays. Imagine a calm, efficient start every single morning. We'll explore how simple changes yield significant benefits. Let's transform your daily routine and reclaim your calm. First, consider the daily time drain of misplaced items. Finding keys, wallets, or school bags wastes vital minutes. A 2017 study by NAPO noted Americans lose 5 days yearly. This time is spent searching for lost household items alone. Your entryway is often the prime culprit for these searches. Think about rushing out, then frantically searching for shoes. Every forgotten item means another frustrating, late start. This consistent friction adds up, impacting your productivity. Beyond time, clutter significantly impacts your mental state. Research from Princeton University links clutter to poor focus. Visible disorganization overwhelms your brain's processing capacity. This constant visual noise increases anxiety and stress levels. Your entryway offers the first and last impression daily. Stepping into chaos immediately triggers feelings of overwhelm. It signals that your home lacks order, even if it doesn't. This subtle psychological weight affects mood and decision-making. Now, let's consider the ripple effect of an organized entryway. A designated spot for keys eliminates morning scavenger hunts. Hooks for coats and bags reduce floor clutter significantly. Shoe racks prevent tripping hazards and maintain cleanliness. Mail organizers stop paper piles from accumulating immediately. A simple basket for essentials streamlines your departures. This structure creates a predictable, efficient daily flow. It means smoother mornings and calmer returns home each evening. The reduced stress improves family interactions dramatically. You gain precious minutes, enhancing overall daily productivity. Moreover, an organized space promotes a sense of control. This feeling of mastery extends beyond just your entryway. It can inspire organization in other areas of your home. Think of it as a small, powerful step towards greater peace. The impact on your energy and outlook is truly profound. An organized entryway saves time, reduces stress, and boosts mood. It creates a positive feedback loop for your entire day. Embrace these simple changes for immediate, lasting benefits. A small area's impact can truly transform your whole life. Don't underestimate the power of a clutter-free entrance. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations.